In this video, we will be learning a new feature of Trado, that is editing your pending orders directly from Trado terminal. Now let's log in with your broker terminal and we will have some live demonstration of this feature. Okay, that is editing your pending orders. Let's first enable this always on top feature, and now let's go to the broker terminal also for live demonstration of this feature. We will take some pending orders and we will verify it from here. Okay, here our pending orders will come. We will verify it and we will see how we can modify these orders directly from Trado terminal also. Okay, first we will learn about this price and trigger price. Okay, then we will place orders. I will give you some small recaps about this price, trigger price, and all things. Suppose if I want to buy this at 650, simply place this order at 650. If this order got executed, then I want a protection. Okay, so if I place a pending order at 650, see what options I have. Like if I go to the pending section, see, and if I want to edit it from here, then simply click on edit button. Since you are buying above LTP, so your order placed in SL limit order. In SL limit order, you have to give your price and trigger price both. Okay, and in limit order, you have to only give your price. And for limit orders, see what I will give a small recap of this limit order, SL limit order, and market order. Suppose if your LTP is at 600, and if you want to buy at 600, then you can place a market order. Then you will buy this around 600. Okay, and if you want to buy above 600, like if I want to buy at 650, in this case I have to place SL limit order. SL limit order. Okay, and if I want to buy below 600, like if I want to buy at 550, okay, then I will place normal limit order. Similarly, I will show you this all three, and for more details you can visit our last video also of triple L feature. There I've explained this all three orders in details. Okay, what I will do, if I turn on this market, then see this price and trigger price is not editable now. Then if you modify it, then your order will get placed at whatever live price is going on. And if I select this limit, then only price section is enabled. Only you can edit this one. Like if I want to edit here 500, I will simply modify it. See, this order is limit order. Okay, if I modify it to SL limit order, in SL limit order, I will give you a quick recap what happens. Like in SL limit order, in buy case, your this trigger price must be less than your price. Okay, and for your sell case, your trigger price must be greater than this price value. So here we have this buy positions, and if I want to edit it in SL limit order, then what I will do, first I will, like if I want to place order at 650, I will place trigger price 650 and price to be above this 650, like 651. Okay, just click it on, see 650 and 651. Suppose if I modify it, like if I place this below 650, like 649, this price below, then then your broker will not take this order. It will not modify it. See, enter price greater than trigger price. Okay, for sell case, like if I close this position, and in the sell case we will check the sell case also. For sell case, see if I place an order of sell, okay, sorry, I place it on market price. Suppose my aim is, if whenever this price goes below 450, I want to sell it 450 or 400. Then I want to place my sell order. Simply place sell order. You will get a pending order. Okay, see this pending order is a SL limit order. Okay, and if I want to edit this order, what I will do, I will simply go to edit section, and here see in sell case, your trigger price your trigger price is greater than your price. See here, it's given your price is 396 and your trigger price is 400. Okay, similarly, if I want to sell this strike price, if this strike price goes below 350 and then I want to sell it and I want to modify this order, what I will do, I will simply write here 350 and this price must be below this trigger price, then this price can be 349. Okay, then modify it. See, it got modified to 349 and 350. And if I modify, like if I place wrong, like if I place 351, then see what it will give a prompt enter trigger price greater than price. So you have to give. Okay, now see why this feature is too much important. Like suppose if I want to place any BTO order, I will place this order at 10 rupees and I will place a BTO order. I don't want to turn on this both target and SL. I will turn only one. Like if I turn on this target one and I place my target like 5 points target and simply place order. See what will happen when you place this order, you got a pending order. Whenever you place your order by enabling this BTO order and your predefined target is like 5 point, then in this case a pending order sends to the market at 15 because your order got executed at 10.85. Okay, so what we can do, we can edit this order from here also. Like we can edit it like simply if I want to decrease my target, if I want to make it like 11 or make it to 12, simply modify it. Okay, see it's got modified. And if I want to modify this sell order, like I want to make this order as a SL. Like currently I buy it at 10.85 and market running at 10.35. I want to change it to like I will change this to 8. Okay, in this case if you modify it to 8, your order will directly get exited. See, your order will directly get exited. Whatever your price is going on, it will get exited because for below LTP, if you want to go below LTP, in that case, see if I will take one more position. See, for below if you want to go below LTP, then what you will do, you have to select this SL order. Okay, if you want to go, if this LTP is running, okay, and you want to place your any sell order, okay, any sell order below LTP, then you have to place SL limit order. And if you want to place your any buy order above LTP, in that case you have to place only SL order, SL limit order. For buy case above LTP SL limit order, and for sell case below LTP SL limit order. Okay, this is general definition of orders. You can learn it from anywhere. Okay, see I want to place this target as a SL order. What I will do, I will go to the SL limit order and I will place like here I will write here 8. Okay, and suppose if I write here 8.5 and modify it, see it's got modified to 8.5. Now my SL is at 8.5. And see in sell case what I have given, my trigger price is greater than my this price, then only this order got modified. Otherwise if I place something else, if I place like if I place here like 9 and modify it, see it will say trigger price greater than price. Okay, and if you want to modify it from your broker terminal, see how painful it is. If you go to the modify section, okay, just give me a second. If I make it always on top, and okay, see if I want to modify it from broker section, see how difficult it will be. Like if I go here, modify it, and I want to modify it like see if I want to modify it to 9, I will write here 9, then I will change this also 9.5, then I will modify how much time it's taking. Okay, and if you want to modify it from here, you can, it's very easy and very fast, like simply like 9.5, 9.85 and modify it. Now it got hit. Okay, so like this you can modify your orders, your BTO orders also. It's very easy and fast, and always verify these orders from your broker terminal also. Like this you can make your trading more fast and more efficient. See, in trading, if you have any strategy, okay, if your strategy is giving you profits, that's okay. But many times your strategies are like it's giving profits in your backtest. Okay, it's giving profit in your backtest, but when you take trades in live market, in that case, what you do, you have to modify your orders, you have to exit your orders from broker terminal. Okay, in that case, what happen? You most of the time you lack with speed, and in this volatile market, the big players are like they all use algos to punch their orders. Okay, so they are always ahead to retail traders. Okay. Retail traders, what they have, they only used to place their order manually, and manually that also from broker terminal. And placing your order from broker terminal is very slow. Means like if you place any order, if you buy any order and you want to place SL also, and you want to place profit also. Okay, in this case, what will happen? You will go to the broker position section and you will modify it again and again. You can't trail it. There's so many problems which you face in broker, and that all things you can do from here very fast. Before using this Trado, you should check our all playlist which we have given. That all playlists will help you in using this Trado very efficiently and very fastly. Thank you.